if you want to improve your desk setup, adding a desk shelf or monitor stand is one of the best moves you can make. Firstly, it elevates your monitor to a more ergonomic height, which naturally helps your posture. Secondly, it helps organise your setup by adding a useful storage area under the shelf. I recently picked up this walnut desk shelf from Oakywood and I've been super happy with it. The quality is fantastic and I love the design too. All materials are of a premium standard with solid walnut wood and black powder coated steel legs. In terms of dimensions, it's 105 cm or 43 inches long, 23 cm or 9 inches deep, and the shelf height is 11 cm or 4.3 inches. The maximum load capacity is a huge 100 kilograms. I've not tested it that far, but I can believe it. This is a super solid product that will easily accommodate any monitor you put on it. When you order your shelf from Oakywood, you can choose from a range of colours in either oak or walnut wood. I went for the solid walnut as it's a great match for my desk. Prices start from $180 up to $230 for the walnut version I have. So it's definitely not the cheapest desk shelf around, but it's basically on a par with other premium office product brands like Grovemade. I'm based in the UK and the shipping and import tax for Grovemade products is crazy, so I'm glad we have Oakywood as an option over here in Europe. Oakywood are actually based in Poland, but shipping to the UK was inexpensive and the shelf arrived within a few days without any problems. Setting up the shelf couldn't be easier. Inside the box you get a hex key and set of screws for attaching the legs. The supplied steel legs have cork on the bottom to prevent the shelf moving or scratching your desk. The walnut has a silky smooth finish and comes pre-treated with ecological oils which really emphasise the grain of the wood. Oakywood also market this desk shelf as a dual monitor stand, but as you can see, Odyssey's 127-inch monitor, which is the studio display from Apple. This also means I have additional shelf space either side of the monitor, where I store my microphone and iPhone 14 Pro. As always, I've left a link to all products in this video in the description below. Underneath the shelf I have my Keychron keyboard, backup drive, AirPods and my M1 Mac Mini. I have a minimal walnut desk that I made myself, but the one negative of this is the lack of any storage or organisation space, so adding this shelf has been fantastic for me. Now I have a better organised workspace while still maintaining the minimal look that I love. So to conclude, I would highly recommend the Oakywood desk shelf. The design is clean, all materials are of a high quality, this feels like a product that will last a long time. My back appreciates my monitor being at a more ergonomic height, my setup is better organised thanks to the extra storage space, and whilst it's a relatively expensive product, I feel like you get what you pay for here. And that's a wrap for this video. I hope it helped you out. I've been Tom Hyphen. Like and subscribe for more. You can also find me on Instagram and Twitter. Thanks for watching.